Yung sinasabi niya. You always aim for the star and then land on the tree. Parang gano'n. Pero ngayon binago niya na, always aim for the star and then you land on the moon. Okay. Pero every time na naglalaan kami sa moon, di ba? Talaga naman full of craters, full of trials and struggles. So, hindi po ganun talaga kadali. Pero once na na-achieve mo na yung goal mo, doon na yung parang ang sarap ng feeling, di ba? So, you're not doing this alone. It should be on a team. I myself, di ba? Parang sinabi ko, you know, anong gusto mong marating, di ba? Where you are right now and then where you want to go. So, I always get the inspiration sa mga nakarating na doon. So, katulad nila Kuya Bench, and then Ate Penny, and then sila Idol, Martin and Malvin, yan, no? And then, iniisip ko rin, why am I doing IMG? Without the emotional why that you have, hindi mo kakayanin. Kasi hindi siya ganun talaga kadali. Pero if you really are clear about the reason why you're here, parang hindi mo na fino-focus din sa mga sa hirap. Okay, di ba? Pag fino-focus mo din sa goal, yung gusto mong marating, parang okay lang, o kaya-kayanin ko to. So ako, katulad ng sinabi ni Alicia, you have to sacrifice. Sacrifice your time with your family, sacrifice your time with the kids. But there are times that I really forget to get the cards of my kids. And yun talaga, inaaway ako dun ng asawa ko, pero parang nawawala na yung time. Pero pag iniisip ko yung mga taong natutulungan ko, parang nako-compensate siya. I will not do this siguro for so long. Kailangan ko lang tulungan ng mas marami pang tao, mas kailangan nila ako maka-reach out. And then, darating din yung point na, I will be with you. Kasi this is, for me, it's a family business talaga. And I'm so blessed, yan. Dahil nandito ngayon ng mommy at saka yung aking brother. So, not only because dahil meron siyang check di ba? Pero mabuti na lang talaga ang galing ni Lord. Kasi, because of totoo yung sinasabi niya, i-declare mo. You believe and then you declare. And then you claim it. Kasi the moment I start putting it, posting it on FB, that I am so blessed, and kinlaim ko na, parang it's the blessing is just coming over, it's just chasing us na sa katutak yung schedule namin na ubos-ubos na yung boses namin everyday. Nahirapan na ako, parang sabi ko kay Ate Helen, kailangan natin ng sekretarya to go to those people. Pero what keeps us going is yung the clamor of the financial independence ng mga tao. Nakaka-overwhelm kung natutuwa sila na nagpapasalamat sila sa iyo na naturuan natin sila. And apakalaki pa talaga ng pwede natin i-reach out. Kasi yung dito pa lang kasi yung sa amin yung Bulacan pala, parang ang konti-konti pa talaga namin na we really need a lot of trainers talaga to share this IMG business. Napakaliit pa lang natin, di ba? So yung nakita ko nga yung sinasabi ni Alicia na don't waste your time. Don't waste your time not believing in this IMG business. Don't slow down. It's the more na maging aggressive ka, na you bring your family here. Kasi this is the reason why you're here also, di ba? You're giving them a good life. Di ba? You're giving them a good life. Kasi kung ako lang, bumalik ako sa PAL, di ba? That time, 8 hours or more than 8 hours ang inaalat ko. That income alone will not suffice to help my mom sa mga medication, di ba? And then to help other relatives. Hindi ko kakayanin. But with this IMG business, with the team that we have, grabe, talagang makikita mo na amazing. Eventually, yung commission na dineclare ko siya dun sa, hindi ko na sasabihin syempre kung magkano. Pero totoo. It's really happening. Exponential siya talaga. I started with 500 pesos. Paano makakabuhay ng pamilya? Di ba? That was January 2011. Di ba? Pero ngayon, with the team that you have, talagang magugulat ka. Ito pala yung binigay ni Lord. Parang I'm so excited. Yung effort mo, parang, naku, nawala yung pagod ko. And to think na nakikita mo yung team, you have the same mindset of helping other people, sharing this financial literacy, and then nakikita mo sa Facebook, that alone will really give you yung lakas ng loob na hindi mo sila pwedeng iwan. Kasi binigyan mo na din sila ng pangarap. It's not only that you have your dream for yourself and for your family, but for those people that create mo yung dream na yun. So, don't stop, don't slow down, be more aggressive.